morning, it's Dr. Lauren Baker, and I am a human and animal chiropractor, and I am going out to adjust some animals. I spoke with a woman yesterday at a ranch call when I was adjusting her 4 horses, and she said, I bet your life and your journey is so interesting. You should share it with everybody. So I've been encouraged to do this and to go out and show you guys what I do on a daily with the animals. So today we're gonna go out and adjust a dog and a couple of cows, and I'm gonna share this with you. I am nervous trying to make this video and get it all pieced together, but let's do it together. All right, guys, so it's hot here today in Texas. We gotta build a cooler and pack all the things so that we're really cool when we're outside, because this is an outside job for the most part. So let's build the cooler together. All right, guys, so the cooler is packed. We got 2 large ice packs. I just put those in there to keep everything cold. We got some apple chips, coconut water, got a couple waters, beef jerky, a few little cookies. These are frog togs. They're chili pad cooling towels. And I was recommended on one of my Facebook posts to get these, and so I keep those cold in case I get overheated. Got a taco salad. I've got some berries, mixed berries, and some fruit snacks, and just a couple of things for the road. I really don't like to stop and buy anything, so that's my cooler. So we're gonna get on the road now. Got the boots on. All right, Dexter reminded me. He reminded me. I need to bring my neck fan. Okay, and my frog togs that one of my patients bought me when she saw my recent video on Facebook. And I'm just gonna put these in the cooler and this on my neck. All right, I'm on the road. I'm driving 30 minutes to see a beagle that is having hind end trouble, and the owner wanted to see if chiropractic could help. And she got a referral from her veterinarian, and the veterinarian said, it was safe to adjust. So I'm gonna do a full exam and check her out, and her issues may be pelvis, it may be her neck, but that's what I'm gonna determine today once I get there. Sometimes I find it's the neck, and they jumped off a couch or a bed or something too high. So we'll see what it is that is bothering this little girl. Hey, make sure y'all watch until the end. There's some funny outtakes and some bloopers as I try to figure this all out. Another little part of my journey is my mom always calls when she knows that I have ranch jobs, because she loves to hear about where I'm going and what I'm doing. Most of the time I don't know, because my handler schedules the jobs, and she's usually here, and I just wanted to say that she's on vacation today. So I am working alone, and that makes me a little more apprehensive because I really depend on her to handle the animal for me and to keep me safe. So I'm a little nervous about this today, and just wanted to be honest about that. I normally don't work alone, but Jessica definitely deserves a well-deserved vacation. So I just called the client, and she's having me meet her at a park across the street. So looks like we're going to be adjusting at a park today. So let's see how this goes. She says she wants me to use these benches as the table to adjust. So I've not done that before. That's a first. So this is Harley, and Harley is senior, and she's gonna get adjusted today to help with her balance. In her back end, she's having issues controlling her movement. She's been adjusted before, and it really helped her, so her owner wants her to get worked on just to keep her moving her best and feeling her best. So here we go. So after the adjustment, this is what happened. She can't stop running. Hold on. Harley, do you feel better? Her hips feel better. See, I have my neck out of place and my hips out of place. Oh my gosh, I can't keep up with her after the adjustment. Look at her. Oh, that's a good girl. Awesome. So I'm actually with a client that's a chiropractor, and she is standing next to me while I'm getting adjusted. Harley, I'm getting adjusted by your mama. You did a good job. Well, that was awesome. At the last job, I got to get adjusted. Who would have known that the client was going to be a chiropractor? She did a really good job. I actually have relief of some pain that I was having. So her dog felt better, and it was a win-win for everybody. So now I'm headed an hour from this current job, and I'm going to adjust 2 or 3 show cattle. And don't have time to stop for lunch, so got my wrap, eat on the go with some chips. And then we'll see what these cows are like and see how I can help them. And then, okay, it says that I'm here. Don't see anything yet. They have a long driveway. So here's the cows that we're going to be adjusting today. They already have their halters on, and their handler, their mama, is here. Hey! Hi! All right. So y'all are about to get adjusted. So I wore my special shirt for this job, and it says, no tipping, straight adjusting. Let's get at it. So I'm just analyzing the way they walk and see how they hold their head, how they move in the back, and just checking their gait overall. I've adjusted this cow before, and she had an issue with her neck on the left. So I'm just checking that to see if it's still there. The owner says that it still has an issue with it. She doesn't want to walk well on the halter, as you can see. She's pulling her, she struggles to turn. So this is a little heifer that is only about, how old did you say? November. So she's 8 months, and the owner just wants to take a look and see, is her spine okay, so she can grow into it better. It's better to have them checked when they're young so that you can catch any misalignments when they're young and they grow into it better. She's a bald face, which I just found out. I did not know. I know, sounds funny. I always call them white face, but bald face, Simbra, and she's spicy. So we'll see how this goes with me trying to touch her. All right, so I just finished adjusting 2 of the heifers, and it was really hot. But the small one there, I just was able to palpate her and make sure that her joints are moving good. And you can see I got black hands and really sweaty, and the mosquitoes are really bad right now. But, well, I'm soaking wet and really hot. I think it was like 102, what does it say? 100 degrees here in Texas, and I was working in the sun because it's hard to work on those cows any other place on the panels that are in the sun. It was a great day overall, and I'm glad you watched. And stay tuned for next week. I'll work on Friday, and I'll make a whole nother video for y'all to follow along and see where I'm at next. All the cows are laying in the shade because it's so hot today. See, I'm not the only one. They didn't even care. Have a good day. So I'm actually with a client that's a chiropractor, and she's adjusting me. And, and she is standing next to you. Put your left hand on her shoulder, and your right hand on the middle of the neck. That's 5 fingers.